welcome back to the channel once again. Like I said before, my channel is day-to-day life and travel vlog. I don't do much of a travel vlog, but when I go on vacation I'm gonna be making a video. And I'm not like big YouTubers like, oh, I'm traveling to this, if you want travel guidance and all that. No, I cannot offer. Every year I take a vacation of my work and I head to the world and see where I can go, I can afford. And it's not about a challenge that I need to go this country, that country to show you, hey, or I need to get million views on YouTube. If people watch my video, I really appreciate. To those my subscribers who always watch my video, welcome back. To the new ones, this is King Mo. I appreciate it watching my video and keep subscribing. So when I say day-to-day life, I mean every day what I do, weekdays, weekends. I go here, I go there, go shopping malls, to the beaches and all that, show you my beautiful city. But today I have another installation video, parking sensors and a backup camera. This is 2024 Chrysler 200, and this car belongs to my daughter. And I don't know, you can see the license, you want to use it whatever. So let me take you around. It's a sedan. See, it's dope. It is really dope. Super sporty car, Chrysler 200. All right, already. So, and all my stuff are right here. This is the parking sensor. I have a video, I made it about, I don't know, 8 years ago. This is the rear view mirror, the wiring, and this is the backup camera. And like I said, for disclaimer, I am not electrician or mechanic. Don't be asking me how I did this, how I did that. It's just self-explanatory. Anybody can do it if you have the time and the brain, because it comes with a manual instruction. All right, so okay, let's see inside. When I say, and nowadays shit is changing. The drive and all that is just a knob and just a start button. Everything perfect, cool. All right, we'll deal with that later. So like I said, let's keep on moving and doing what we need to do first. So first is first, we have to measure okay, I hope you guys can see it. Yep. Yeah. So what I'm going to do next is I have to measure here where this fall where we're gonna put it. So we have to give it a distance of what and what, and then to get, because these cars, they kind of like, whew, everything is sealed here. So it's going to be a homework. So I'm not gonna make this video long. Let me figure everything out, then I'll be back with you guys. All right, take care. All right, I've already made the measurements here. You cannot see it, I guess, maybe. So let's drill it. Oh, I put the lock wrong. Okay, let me tighten this thing up. getting loose. There we go. I guess this one is not helping that much. I don't know why it's getting loose. Let me tighten this shit up or get me another one, then we'll continue with this video. All right, I have changed that one and made the hole ready. You guys can see, let me show you. Voila. Okay, so let me finish this and put everything up, and then we'll continue with this video, because I don't want to make it long, drilling all this hole, going through the wires and all that, you know. When I finish, when I'm putting them, I will let you know. Stay tuned. King Mo at work. All right, as you guys can see, 1, 2, 3 already installed. The last hole here, you guys can see it, right? So put the last one, because this was the big thing, you know, because under the car it's really covered. And for advice, if you are going to install, before you install, check out the car inside, I mean under the trunk, or in English as they say, boot, British English. So let me show you how this thing is under. I don't know if you guys can see it. You see how difficult to reach this thing is. I hope you guys can see it. See how difficult to reach this thing. It's like everything is blocked. See, you have nowhere, only this side or on this side of the end. The two in the middle was kind of difficult, but all in all, you know, when you're trying to do something, you don't stop until you succeed. So I'm putting the last one here. Okay, putting the last one. This is the last one, the sensor. It is not a big work to do, but you have to be patient and be careful. You know, don't lose your mind if you are doing. I'm not advising you to do it, but if you are doing, you have to get the measurement, you know, and all that. So let me get it from under. Already got the wire now. So once you get the wire, you are good to go. And then remember, here it says up. It means you cannot just put it. You see, it says up. That's where you need to put, you know, upwards like this. That is where it says up. That's where the sensors are. See? All the way, push it through, and you are good to go. Even though it's not exact. Now we got the sensors. Now anything behind this car will beep. All right, so let me finish up. This is the one that sounds the alarm. I'll show you later on. And this is the power module. So let me put everything together, and then we'll continue with this video. Stay tuned. All right guys, I installed the backup sensor. Everything is ready. I'm about to do the backup rear view mirror, which I have already started wiring. As you guys can see, this is the mirror, will go on top of here. Okay, so let me show you. And correction, This car is 2020, not 2024. Like I said, it's 2020. So, okay. You can hear it. It beeped. Yeah, that means everything is ready. Let's back it up a little bit. Okay. You can hear it. So let's back it up, reverse, and let's hear it when you get close. You can hear it, right? Tells you stop now. You heard that? So that means it's working. And let's see how close it is. Okay, let's go see it. See, this is how close it is to the house. And that's why the sensor goes off. So the sensor is working right. Let me finish up, put on the camera, and then the final of the show. Alright, stay tuned. Yo, I know you guys were expecting the final touch of the backup rear view mirror, but I could not finish it because my daughter, she got a call. She needs to go somewhere to grab her stuff and she needs her car, you know. But at least you guys seen it. I installed the backup parking sensor and everything. It works really perfect, and I was about to finish, you know, not a big deal, but I will be doing another video hopefully when she brings back, because she had to do something, so she needed. But I was almost finished. It was just to connect and get to go, you know. And like I said, everything's working good, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And till next time, King Mo signing out. Stay peace.